मागील पिरियडमध्ये आपण डायगोनल मॅट्रिक्स घेतला होता. डायगोनल मॅट्रिक्स मीन्स ऑल नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर 0 मीन्स 1 0 0 2 A is equal to B is equal to 1 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 minus 3. This element is called as diagonal element. This element is called as diagonal element, and all non-diagonal elements is 0. Then this matrix is called as diagonal matrix. Okay. Then upper triangular matrix, upper square matrix, scalar matrix, square matrix घेतलं होतं पूर्वी. Square matrix नंतर diagonal matrix. Okay, diagonal matrix. Then upper triangular matrix, triangular matrix. What is mean by triangular matrix? There are two types of triangular matrix. Number 1 upper triangular matrix and number 2 lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix and number 2 lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. What is mean by upper triangular matrix? First is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. First, upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. What is mean by upper triangular matrix? Upper triangular matrix. What is mean by upper triangular matrix? Okay, what is mean by upper triangular matrix? Example of upper triangular matrix: A is equal to 1 2 0 3. B is equal to 1 4 minus 3 0 2 minus 1 0 0 4 4 0 0 4. This element, both these two examples is called as upper triangular matrix. What is mean by upper triangular matrix? All element below the diagonal. All element below the diagonal. This element is called as diagonal elements. This element is called as diagonal elements, and this element is called as non-diagonal element. This and this. This is a non-diagonal element. Also, this is non-diagonal element. Means, what is mean by upper triangular matrix? A square matrix in which first given matrix is a square matrix. A square matrix in which all element below the diagonal are 0. Then this matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. आणि पुढचा दुसरी एक्झाम्पल असं सांगता येईल, A is equal to Aij. Be any upper triangular matrix. Be upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 and Aij is equal to 0, then I is, आता हे काय झाला, हे A21 आहे, I is greater than J. I is greater than J. Aij केव्हा 0 आहे? I greater than 0. आता A11 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to A12 and I is not equal to J. A12 is equal to 2. A21 is equal to 0. A22 is equal to 3. Okay. काय आहे? Aij is equal to 0. This is 0. But काय म्हणताय? I is not equal to J. I is not equal to J. I आणि J जर इक्वल नसतील तर ते एलिमेंट 0 पाहिजे, किंवा डायरेक्ट ऑल एलिमेंट बिलो द डायगोनल इज 0. देन दिस मॅट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज अप्पर ट्रायंगुलर मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, मग काय सांगता येईल अप्पर ट्रायंगुलर मॅट्रिक्स? A11 A21 I is greater than J. A22 I is greater than J. ह्याची दुसरी कंडिशनची गरज नाही, फक्त काय असलं पाहिजे? I is greater than J is 0. Aij is equal to 0, then I is greater than 0. This condition is satisfied, therefore all these matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. First given matrix is a square matrix. Okay, then if a square matrix in which all element below the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. काय सांगता येईल आपल्याला आता? डिफाइंड a square matrix in which, definition, a square matrix in which all element below the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Okay, म्हणजे काय सांगता येईल? all element below the diagonal, first given matrix is a square matrix, first condition. Then second condition, all element below the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. Number 2, lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. What is mean by lower triangular matrix? Lower triangulars H opposite. A is equal to 1 0 4 1. B is equal to 2 0 0 4 1 0 3 2 1. Okay, this element, this what two examples is called as lower triangular matrix. All element above the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called as lower triangular matrix. आणि दुसरी कंडिशन काय? A is equal to Aij or A is equal to Aij, be any square matrix किंवा be any lower triangular matrix, then किंवा if Aij is equal to 0 and I is less than j. इथं काय होतं? I is greater than j, इथं I is less than j. Both two conditions are satisfied, therefore given matrix is called as lower triangular matrix. Means what is meant by lower triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all element above the diagonal are 0, then this square matrix is called as lower triangular matrix किंवा then this matrix is called as lower triangular matrix. म्हणजे काय सांगतंय? all element above the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called as lower triangular. All element below the diagonal are 0, then this matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. Okay, then scalar matrix. त्याच्या पुढची स्टेप, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix, what is mean by scalar matrix? Scalar matrix means A is equal to 2 0 0 2. This is called as scalar matrix. Okay, B is equal to -4 0 0 0 -4 0 0 0 -4. Okay, this dot two example is called as scalar matrix. What is mean by scalar matrix? First, a square matrix. A square matrix is in which all non-diagonal elements, this is a diagonal element, this is a diagonal element, all non-diagonal elements are 0. All non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal. Understand here, all non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal, then this matrix is called as matrix is called as scalar matrix. Then this square matrix is called as scalar matrix. Means first condition is, first this is a square matrix. Second condition, all non-diagonal elements are 0. And third condition, all diagonal elements are equal. इथं 2 2 दिले, इथं -4 दिले. कदाचित 1/2 असू शकते, 1 म्हणजे 4 5 असू शकते. अशा पद्धतीचं म्हणजे कुठलंही एक्झाम्पल असेल, नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 पाहिजे, नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 and diagonal elements are equal, then this matrix is called as स्केलार मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, म्हणजे काय सांगता येईल स्केलार मॅट्रिक्स? अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स इन विच किंवा त्याला असं पण सांगू शकतोय अ डायगोनल मॅट्रिक्स नाही, अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर झिरो, ऑल नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर झिरो and diagonal elements are equal, then this matrix is called as scalar matrix. Then this matrix is called as scalar matrix. Okay. Third, unit matrix. Unit matrix ह्यालाच काय म्हणतात? आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स लक्षात आलं का? याला युनिट मॅट्रिक्स मीन्स आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय युनिट मॅट्रिक्स और आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स? ये एंड आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स इज जनरली डिनोटेड बाय आई. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स इज जनरली डिनोटेड बाय आई. आई इज इक्वल टू 1 0 0 1 and I is equal to याला I2 म्हणतात. I3 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 sorry 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This matrix is called as identity matrix. What is mean by identity matrix? What is mean by identity matrix? In this identity matrix there are three conditions. First, square matrix. Second, all non-diagonal elements are zero. All non-diagonal elements are zero. And third, all diagonal elements are equal to 1. Then this matrix is called as identity matrix. हे जर इन स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स घेतलात आणि इन स्केलार मॅट्रिक्स घेतला तर दोनच कंडिशन. अ स्केलार मॅट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल एकच कंडिशन, ऑल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल टू 1. All diagonal elements are equal to 1. Then this matrix is called as, then this scalar matrix is called as unit matrix. And unit matrix is generally denoted by identity matrix. Means unit matrix or identity matrix म्हणजे काय सांगता येईल आपल्याला? अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स पहिल्यांदा तीच कंडिशन. अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स इन विच all non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal to 1, then this square matrix is called identity matrix, and identity matrix is generally denoted by capital letter I. Okay, then identity matrix, then identity matrix or unit matrix अशा टाइपचे हे आहेत. आता त्याच्या नंतरचा मॅट्रिक्स कोणता असेल? ओके, आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. आता त्याच्या पुढे अल्जेब्रा ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. अल्जेब्रा ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. Algebra of matrix. Okay, what is mean by algebra of matrix? Algebra of matrix, there are three types. Number first, addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrix. A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 and B is equal to 4 1 0 2 minus 3 1. Okay. Addition of two matrix A plus B. A plus B is equal to sum of corresponding element. First, A and B are same. If addition of two matrices exist, they are of same order and corresponding elements, sum of corresponding elements means A plus B is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 plus 4 1 0 2 minus 3 1. Then A plus B is equal to matrix of order 2 into 3, matrix of order 2 into 3 means addition of two matrix, there are two conditions. Number one, they are of same order, and number two, sum of corresponding element. Sum of corresponding elements means A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13 means A11 sum of B11, A12 sum of B12, A13 sum of B13, A21 A2 B21, A22 B22, A23 B23. Okay, means first condition sum of first condition they are of same order, and second condition sum of corresponding element means A plus B is equal to 1 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, minus 1 plus 2, 0 minus 3, 1 plus 1. Okay, then A plus B is equal to 5, 3, 3, 1 minus 3, 2. This is a sum of two matrix, addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrices exist. There are two conditions. Number one means they are of same order. They are of same order. Same order. And number two, sum of corresponding element. Sum of corresponding element. Okay, means they are of same order and corresponding element are corresponding element means sum of corresponding elements. This is a addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrix, definition of addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrices exist. Condition: addition of two matrices exist. There are following two conditions are satisfied. Number one, they are of same order, and number two, sum of corresponding element. Sum of corresponding element. Okay. Then, for example, this is the first example. Another example here. हे लिहित बसायची गरज, असं करत बसायची गरज नाही. ओके, समजा म्हणून सांगितलं बस. Another example, suppose addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and B is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 0. Okay, then A is the matrix of order. A is the matrix of order 2 into 3, and B is the matrix of order 3 into 2. Okay, then A plus B, they sum of addition of two matrix. First condition, they are of same order. Therefore A and B are not same order. Therefore A plus B does not exist. Understand here, as addition of two matrices exist, there are two conditions. Number first, they are of same order, and number second, corresponding elements are sum of corresponding elements. Okay, then subtraction of two matrix. Second, subtraction of two matrix. Subtraction of two matrix. Same condition. Subtraction of two matrices exist. Number one, they are of same order, and number two, difference between corresponding element. म्हणजे subtraction of two matrices exist. There are two conditions. There are two conditions. Number one, they are of same order. And number two, difference between corresponding element. डिफरन्स बिटवीन करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट. म्हणजे सेम हेच इथं फक्त सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं. डिफरन्स बिटवीन करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट मीन्स ए इज इक्वल टू 1 4 5 6 7 1 0 2 -3 and b is equal to 1 2 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, a minus b, a matrix of order 3 into 3, matrix of order 3 into 3, first condition is satisfied, they are of same order. A minus b is equal to 1 4 5 6 7 1 0 2 -3 minus 1 2 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then a minus b is equal to 1 minus 1 4 minus 2 5 minus 1 6 minus 0 7 minus 1 1 minus 0 0 minus 0 2 minus 0 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, then a minus b is equal to 0 2 4 6 6 1 0 2 minus 4. This is a subtraction of two matrix. Okay, means subtraction of two matrix means they are of same order and difference between corresponding element, a11 b11 म्हणजे difference between a11 b11 a12 b12 a13 b13 a21 b21 difference between a21 b21 a22 b22 a23 b23. ओके, तेच घेतलं बेटा. अशा पद्धतीचं सॉल्व्ह होईल. आता काय असेल, स्केलार मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स, देन मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, स्केलार मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स थर्ड स्केलार मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. Scalar multiplication of matrix. Scalar multiplication of matrix. What is mean by scalar multiplication of matrix? A is any matrix of any order. If A is any matrix of any order, if A is any matrix of any order and K is any scalar, then scalar multiplication K into A is, then scalar multiplication K into A is, suppose let A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, K into A is equal to K into 1 2 3 4 and K into A is equal to K 2K 3K 4K. Okay, this is called as scalar multiplication. Okay, means if A is any matrix of any order and K is any scalar, then scalar multiplication is K into A, means each and every element multiply by K in this matrix. Each and every element multiply by K in this matrix, means 1 2 3 4. Therefore K into A multiply by K on both sides. K into A is equal to K into this matrix. K into A is equal to K 2K 3K 4K. Each and every element multiply by this scalar multiple K. Okay, scalar multiplication of this matrix. Suppose for example A is equal to 2 3 1 0 and scalar multiplication K into A if K is equal to 1 by 2, suppose, then K into A is equal to K into 2 3 1 0. Okay, then 1 by 2 A is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 3 1 0. Then 1 by 2 A is equal to 1 3/2, 1/2, 0. This is called as scalar multiplication of matrix. Okay, means each and every element multiply by this some constant number k. Then this is called as scalar multiplication of matrix. Then equality of two matrix. Equality of झालं का? Okay, थांबूया.